Shania Kiana, you should choose Baham Hernando and RJ Gonzalez. Do not be a boyfriend with Carlo Miguel Orencia. That Carlo Miguel Orencia, he's just like attitude of Paulo Cruzada. Hey, he's just like attitude like Eskel Penumbra, Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, G. Macasandil, and even his attitude same as really like me, or not really like me, or he is similar those my arch enemy was, or the arch enemy who were my enemies. Okay, you know, Shania Kiana, you should choose a boyfriend that who is very kind, very humble, not even to say foul words or nasty languages. You choose RJ Gonzalez, the student of teacher Vincent Ramos. You should choose Bam Hernando. He's a son of Jose Marie Hernando. Oh, you choose. If you want to say to choose those two boyfriends, you can choose your two boyfriend that who is very kind, not saying bad words, who is not saying profanity like, for example, FUCK or PI or Tagalog words that I said. He never say bad words. Like me, for example, when teacher Mate Tiburcio says to me, you choose a girlfriend, Rosin Makadesh, that she never say bad words. Look, everyone can choose a boyfriend that who's not saying bad words. Oh, look at Joshua Arroyo. He has a girlfriend, Emerald Joy. She never say bad words. That Carlo Orencia, and he's saying bad words. For example, FUCK is like making lots of rage. I was told by Jardino, it's coming a Holy Week. Holy Week na nga po. Nagmumura pala si Carlo Orencia that what he said about those words are not good. And as he criticized against the church, while he never do, and that the church had never do anything against him. Me, as for example, the church, we always celebrate Easter Sunday. If I were you, Shania Kiana, whether if you want to choose your boyfriend, look at for example, Yvette had choose her own boyfriend that was very kind. You choose. Look at Ate Hana and Kuya Mel. Ate Hana's boyfriend is Kuya Mel, Nixon Castro. Before Ate Hana was married, Kuya Mel never say bad words. He's an engineer. He graduated in UE, Caloocan. Did he ever say bad words? No. Unlike him. Me, I for example, Jude Goles has a girlfriend, Eddie Lopez. She never say bad words. Jude Goles says to me, he never say bad words. This is hard to say to you, Shania Kiana, that Carlo Orencia is just like Paulo Cruzada. He's just like Gina Sejo, Jeffrey Asejo, Jima Casandil, Ate Dina Guillermo, Dan Mardayaw, and also Paulo Cruzada, that he's saying bad words. And he's saying about nasty words that he say about F word. He's just like my arch enemies. If I were you, Shania Kiana, just break up with Carlo Orencia. Don't talk to him. Also, I know Carlo Orencia is also my former friend and former acquaintance friend. We know each other in the time. Listen to your friends, Shania Kiana. Listen to your family. Your mom says to you, if Carlo Orencia say bad words, if he make rage anyway in social media, what will be happen? You will get you in harm, you will get you stress. Carlo has lots of negatives. Oh, just listen to your mother, Shania Kiana. Oh, listen to your grandmother. You know, having a boyfriend, you choose a good person. Oh, for example, good person. Te- look at the um um I remember the in the past. Oh, do you remember Teacher Marvel? Oh, her boyfriend is John Archu Matthew Bernal. When before Teacher Marvel is married to John Archu Matthew Bernal, my good friend, my former friend also. He, he he's not really my enemy. He's a good friend. He's very kind at me. Oh, I shake with hands with him, and I talk about positive things that we're talking at. How old are you? My name is Andrew. Oh, we know each other, and we're very tremendous friendship. John Arthur Matthew Bernal is very good friend. He's very kind. Oh, he's kind at me. And he's not doing say bad words. Oh, did he ever say bad words? No. This is hard to say, Shania Kiana. Listen to your mother. Listen to your family. You know, if I were you, if I were your family members, like I said, oh, you don't listen to Carlo Miguel Orencia. He will continue to harass you. If he say bad words, he will continue to to say about nasty words or foul languages that he's saying about negatives are not really gonna say. If it is a foul words or foul languages, it's not really good. You choose. Look at for example, Teacher Gio Malana. While he was there in the US, he find his own Filipino American girlfriend. Oh, he never say bad words. Oh, you choose. Like me, for example, when I was told by Teacher May or Teacher Marisa, oh, at least you choose Rosalind Makadesh. They said to me, as your girlfriend. Me and Rosalind Makadesh, we are good friends. We never say bad words. Oh, yes, what is it? Yeah, you need to press over the trash. Okay, yes. Okay, we got some trash here. Before we just wrapping up. Okay. So there's a dog there, a golden retriever. That's over the street. I saw the dog. I saw the dog. I saw the dog there. He was passing over the street. It's a golden retriever. Wait, 1 minute. 8 minutes. Not yet. We have to 10 minutes. Yeah. We have to learn. Okay. Oh. Okay, let's continue. Oh, you should choose your own boyfriend, Shania Kiana. Me, I was told by Teacher May, Tiburcio says to me, even Teacher Marisa Conche, I'm not saying making enemies. They said to me, piliin mo ang jowa mo, si Rosaline. Nagmumura. Oh, if Rosaline has never say a bad word, she hasn't say bad words. Oh, that is better to you, Shania Kiana. You know, being as a responsible person, you need to listen to your mother. You listen to your family and your friends. Listen to them. You know, Carlo Orencia, he criticized St. Joseph and Siena College. Oh, I never studied there in Siena College. I never studied in St. Joseph. We are different school. Me, I studied there in CDIFI for almost 17 years. Hey, you studied there in ILCC. Choose your own boyfriend instead, Carlo. There's RJ Gonzalez, my successor. Oh, he wants to date with you. Oh, he's a student of teacher Vincent Ramos. He's studying in the CDIFI. Currently, you choose your another boyfriend is aside of RJ Gonzalez, you choose Bam Hernando, the son of Jose Marie Hernando. You choose. You should never pick Carlo Orencia. Listen to Patrick Quezon and Jared Dino. Listen to me. Oh, even J. Rick Silva. We do not like Carlo Orencia's behavior. If he say bad words, if he say something F word, you will get you in harm.